You know, Chico, hold up. Where do you think you're going, man? You gotta hold up in here. I'm talking to you, all right?
Back off of him, you stupid shit. Can't you tell the difference between a narc and one of my upstanding business associates? I'm sorry about Andreas here. It's impossible to find good help in this city.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, yo. What up, Johnny boy? What up? Talk to your girl. Let's make it happen, Captain.
I didn't think you lost bikers got down with peoples like Mark here. Them with their sports bike, you with your choppers. Looking at the two of you don't make no sense to me. It's a crazy city.
Well, this is crazy times, Liz. There's a recession going on. And in this troubling economic climate, you gotta make compromises. Malk here is my compromise.
Hey, yo, fuck you, clown. You can compromise these nuts.
Shit.
Give me some.
These ain't troubling times for us. People always gonna want what we got to sell. They're gonna want even more products when they lose their jobs and ain't got nothing else.
Okay, I guess all we gotta worry about is the cops taking us down then.
True that, Cat. Hey, yo, E, let them know what it is.
You gotta take some thieving, snitching motherfuckers and show them I'm a bitch. But I ain't they fucking bitch, okay? They bribed the guard on the East Borough Bridge to let them through without checking their law, right? You guys is gonna go down there and tear them apart. Entiende?
There it is.
Now get the fuck out of here!
We out.
Yeah.
Okay, ma.
Avanza,
Peace.
cabrones. ¿Qué?
You wait
Let's
for
go.
the bus?
Fucking parade.
Encontrame una criada, Andreas!
Watch your mouth, son.
Make yourself useful and clean this shit up!
Okay, but you know what? I'm gonna need some rubber gloves. I'm gonna be honest, okay? Because
Honey, you're doing so great. I'm gonna take care of this. We're gonna get through this.
Yeah,
It's okay.
kidding.
You just
What's
breathe.
the problem? You're holding traffic up. What's the
Hey,
problem?
we're kind of in a rush here, okay? Honey,
Listen to me, man. You gotta get out of the way. You're holding up traffic. What's the problem here?
Okay, hey, would you just let us through?
Look, you don't got exact change. You're not going through. Those are the rules. I don't make them, but I stick to them. So just turn around and head back to
Look,
Dixie,
I will
will
come
you?
back with all the exact change that you need, all right? Just let us through, please.
You're gonna pay my bills and put food on the table? Turn around now!
Look, I got some change right here. Come on, let's get this shit moving.
All right, this one's on us. Now move your ass.
Thanks, guys. You're doing great, honey. It's okay. Just...
All right, now, let's do this.
Clayton, Terrence, ¿qué pasa? What is it about sitting in little booths and wearing uniforms that turns guys into assholes? These guys ain't gonna know what hit them. We're taking fire! We gotta get that white shit.
Crap! Yeah, you're good to go. You're good. Go. Find some cover! Yeah, I can't be too sure, but this looks like one of those fake bills I've been hearing about. You know how it is. Can't trust nothing nowadays. Can't trust the price of gas. Can't trust this president for sure. And you know you can't even trust this money.
Are you really wasting my time like this? Come on!
Keep it moving, okay? Yo, give up the fan!
Give up the van!
Question for you.
Sure thing, Jonathan. Shoot.
Well, Malcolm, it's your crew, the Uptown Riders. Are you a motorcycle club like us and the Angels of Death?
I don't know. I mean, we ride bikes, and we ride them hard, but the thing is, we don't wear fancy dresses or do pinky finger shakes or anything like that, so I ain't sure what that makes us.
We're adults here, Malcolm.
Allegedly, Johnny boy, allegedly.
So let's not let this descend into an argument about the merits of good American machinery versus foreign plastic fantastic crap.
Or why you guys look like rejects from a bondage club.
Or why you guys dress like the Republican Space Rangers.
Ouch!
Anyway, what I'm asking is, what's the deal with this music you put out, the branded clothing and shit?
Just part of our vibe, man. Roll with it.
The vibe?
Yeah, man, the vibe. It's how we do. You know, we're a complete subculture. Like you guys used to be, back in about, what, 63 or something? Completely fucking lost, if you ask me.
We've still got heart, man. The Lost MC are still here. We just don't get on Me TV.
Woo! Well now, that's a fine little nest egg to get us through a low point in these here global markets, baby.
Sure, Malp. I'm just hoping you, me, and Liz can stay out of jail long enough to enjoy it later on.
Johnny, did you get rid of that stupid bike of yours to drive my van for me?
Yeah, I did, and it handled like a piece of shit. I dumped it in the lockup you mentioned, if you're interested.
Not in the van, baby. But maybe I'm interested in what's in the back of it. I'll send Andrea to check it out. See you soon. Shut the fuck up, Jacob! Nico! I hear you can understand this rough shit. Get over here before I run out of patience and start shooting!
I don't think I've ever played Peacemaker, but I'll be there in a bit.
I didn't want your blood clot, I forgot to set me on a pussy hole.
Yeah, fuck you, fucking reggae idiot bitch!
Rondo, you want blood clot, cause I didn't even bumper clot rate you, you know.
Stop speaking that gibberish!
Fat bumper clot pussy hole girl, you know this? Shot in a bumper
Fuck you.
clot. Hey, yo, don't touch
What's
me.
wrong? What's wrong?
Jacob here. You know Jacob?
Yes.
Jacob tells me it wasn't him, but some people he introduced me to have ripped me off big time and put the heat on me. I know they did.
All right.
But
And
someone
it's
did.
my fault, you know, Rasta. And it's my blood
Well,
clot.
not
fault.
just-
Hey,
Hey.
don't come in on my face.
All right. You better hope Nico can make this right for you then.
Oh, what?
Oh, we got a big fucking problem, Rasta. Nico, go do this first job for him.
Yeah, I got it.
Watch me now.
See you later.
Watch me now.
This is scale fish, imported straight from Bolivia, manito. Polvo puro, the best, man.
You're in America now. The best everything gets made here. If the best stuff got made in Mexico or Colombia or wherever, why do you all run across the border? Tell me that.
It may be your radio station, but we still gotta play commercials.
It's all right, brother. You'll always...
I've got this stuff. You know where the heat is coming from?
I think I'm getting closer now. But there's one more cat me have to speak to.
Shit! Speaking of fucking cops, I think I have company. I gotta go.
Independence FM. This next song says a lot about loss. I know about loss. I'm divorced and my kid's back home in Britain. And some say that's how you lose the will to live. But not with this music. And you, all of you out there, prenup, seriously, it's the reason I got into producing ambient music.
I lost the heat. Where are you?
Cheers, pint. I'm with some buckers and why. Get here now, Nico. This be some strange shit.
For the game, no time for babosadas.
Jacob, what are you talking about? You know, I think you're smoking too much.
Yo, me think me know the eater come from in a king.
Hey, Nico. Hey, Jacob.
What are you doing here? This is no place for you, Michelle.
As it happens, it is. You see, Nico, I have been working for the government. I'm afraid it's my job to watch you. And now I have to ask you for the coke.
This is a joke, right?
Please, please don't make this harder for me than it already is. Look, they're about to take down Elizabeta.
I don't fucking believe this.
Listen, I'm sorry it had to be this way, Nico. I'm really sorry. Hey, you know, you could have gone down too, if you weren't so useful.
You fucking bitch.
Nico.
Hold on. You mean to say you're going to let us off just like that? Nothing now go on?
Well, my employers need the help of a guy like Nico. The office is in Algonquin. I'll call you. You know, as and when we need you. The coke, please.
Shocking, me have to tell Elizabeth so she now get her cocaine enough.